Hi, I'm Cris with a special announcement. Together with Jack, we decided to close up the Aki series of shows. These last 6 months have been quite challenging for both of us. I'm sorry we haven't been so consistent in the upload of new episodes, but this is not the end. It's the beginning of a brand new podcasting and YouTube adventure. A few days ago, I created a brand new podcast called JapanPop UkiUki. You can find all the links and new contacts in the show note. The word ukiuki might sound quite original at first. It is actually a Japanese onomatopoeia, which meaning is kinda like cheerful, positive, having hopes for the future. This choice made a lot of sense, since my passion for Japan and Japanese language. Plus, it is quite different from OCD and what it's all about. I mean, we still struggle with it, but the OCD Geeks first and later on Aki OCD has never been a podcast about complaining all the time about my life, and Jack's one too. It was a way to create something meaningful from a negative experience. Mental health is still a priority. In this, the spirit of the new show will follow the same philosophy. JapanPop UkiUki will be a channel about manga, anime, shows, music, games, basically all about Japan from a geeky side. Plus, it will feature a space dedicated to my Japanese language path and advice, a great way to be accountable on my studies while sharing tips and tricks with other Japanese learners. So thank you so much for being a part of this community. I can't wait to see you again on this new project, the Japan Pop UkiUki podcast.